The good news is that for the last 2 days, we've had no increase in acreage at the Eaton fire, and it remains estimated at 14,117 acres with 35% containment. We know that over 7,000 structures are damaged or destroyed, and we have 3,235 firefighting personnel assigned to the incident. Severe fire weather conditions will continue through tomorrow. The worst winds are predicted today for the late afternoon and into Wednesday. Please be assured that the Los Angeles County region is prepared. The anticipated winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in the LA region critical. We have checked the water system in the Eaton fire area, and it is operational, meaning that we have water and we have pressure. Repopulation will not occur until all areas are safe, period. Resources are available for residents impacted by wildfire at lacounty.gov/emergency. And I'm happy to report that the LA County CL415 Super Scooper that was damaged by the drone will be available for response starting at 11 a.m. today.
I will now provide just a brief update on the Palisades fire. This fire is now at 23,713 acres with 17% containment, with 5,200 personnel that are assigned to the incident. Firefighters will continue to work tirelessly throughout the day to increase containment lines, prevent further spread, and address any flare-ups. The Hearst fire, 799 acres at 97% contained. Life-threatening and destructive and widespread winds are already here. For this significant wind event, we are taking an aggressive lean-forward posture, and the LAFD has staffed all available resources, strategically placing fire patrols and engines in the unimpacted high fire risk areas in the city. We are carefully managing our operations to ensure that we can quickly respond to any new fires, in addition to the increased call volume across the city of Los Angeles. I urge, and everybody here urges you to remain alert as danger has not yet passed. Please follow all evacuation warnings and orders without delay and prioritize your safety.
We understand that our residents want to go back to their homes, but this is a disaster area. Chief Marrone mentioned it. As soon as it is rendered safe, we will try and prioritize getting you back home. We understand that is important.